JMWE's Shared Actions are a collection of post functions. The benefits of JMWE Shared Actions include: create them once and reuse them across the app, including in workflows and other actions. When an update is required, make the change once and the shared action is updated everywhere it is used. Control the order the post functions are processed. In this example, we'll create a shared action that assigns an issue to a project lead and then emails a distribution group. To begin, open the JMWE app, click Shared Actions, Create New Action. Enter a name for the shared action. A list of post functions displays. Either select the desired post function from the list or begin typing its name. The first post function in our example is Assign Issue. Select it and use the drop-downs to specify the target issues and the assigned user. Save the post function and then add the Email Issue post function. Configure the email settings and click Save. With two post functions added to the shared action, you can use the arrow keys to define the order of operations. Save the shared action. Now you can call the shared action from another function, for example, an event-based action. Or you can assign the shared action to your workflow. Simply select the transition, select Post Functions, Add Post Function. Here, select Shared Action JMWE App. Click Add, and then specify the Assign and Email shared action. Now, if the shared action is updated, the change is reflected in the event-based action and the transition. To summarize, JMWE Shared Actions are a collection of post functions that can be referenced across the app.